Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstances, guys. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, Aquarius, and this reading will resonate for your sun, moon, and rising signs, Venus signs, guys. Aquarius. If you have any doubts, if you want more clarity, guys, I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, so you can watch that video, guys. That will follow this reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Magician, Temperance in reverse, and Emperor. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your personal life, you are someone really confident about certain things, and you are a person who has that strong willpower and determination. So, whatever you want to do, you do it with determination and you never give up, whatever it may be. So, in your work, though you may see some difficulties, whatever the circumstances may be, you try to do your best, try to put in your best of efforts using your skills and talents, and do everything with that confidence. So, whatever difficulties you face in your life today, maybe in your work or in your personal life, you want to give it your best shot, whatever it is, guys. And you are feeling really inspired today. So it may be your situation in this relationship, guys. You are feeling really cheerful, confident, happy to be in this relationship, happy to be with this person. You love this person. You both have mutual respect, love, and caring on each other, and you simply love to be with this person, being there with them, spending time with them. And today, they have their own ideas on certain things, maybe, and you have your own ideas, and that may lead to some difference of opinions you may have. So, in your circumstances today, guys, on something, maybe there may be some argument for some of you. But for some of you, I see that this relationship is a stable one. You know what is the right thing to do or what will work for your love, for this connection. And you are going in a very positive way, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Strength. So with this card, it just means that you have that deep conviction, faith on this person, and you are a person, just like I said at the beginning of the reading, you have that strong willpower and determination. So whatever it is in your life you are facing, you feel really determined to do your best and do the good things in this relationship, good things that will work for both of you in this connection. So you are extremely confident, though you may see some minor troubles, something affecting this love, something obstructing the way things are going. Whatever it is, you are trying to do the best putting your best foot forward, being really cheerful and confident, because what you have on this person, it may be true love, guys, Aquarius. So for your career situation, Aquarius, we have Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So in your work situation, there may be some difficulties you are seeing. Maybe people are people you work with. You may feel that you cannot trust them, and you suspect someone of something, maybe of cheating or not telling you the truth, some kind of negative things maybe. But whatever it is, Aquarius, I see that you are a very determined person that is going to help you a lot today in your circumstances. So for your moon energies, Aquarius, we picked one card. Hold your vision, fixed moon. So with this card in your circumstances, it just means that maybe you feel stuck today to a particular circumstance, unable to do anything or decide anything for yourself. But if you want to change the way things are going, you need to think within yourself and change the way you are handling this circumstance. Grease the wheels maybe to move forward. So some changes are needed today, and patience is what is needed today, guys, in your circumstances. That is going to help you a very long way, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So we have the Princess and the Pea, sensitivity. So with this card in your circumstances today, maybe you have a very heightened sensitivity today. Maybe in your heart of hearts, something is telling you what is right and what is wrong. It may be your intuition working or your instincts working. Whatever it is, guys, you need to trust that. And maybe if you have an experience or if you are an already a very sensitive person, sensitive to people, sensitive to your circumstances, to emotions, maybe today, even without people telling you how they feel, you may realize what is there in their heart. You may understand them emotionally, and that is because you are feeling really sensitive today, sensitive to the people, your surroundings. So whatever you feel deep down, you must trust that, guys. So maybe when you are making some important decisions, something tells you that you should make a particular choice or decide in a particular way. You must go for it. And your feelings or your intuition is right today, and you need to trust that. And you can never hide what you truly feel today. Maybe something has come up and you realize that what it is, and maybe even if you are not taking those actions, you're not speaking on that subject, maybe, whatever it may be. But the way you are, you may feel that this is the right thing, and you may have that trust and faith in your intuition. So that is going to influence your actions even without you telling about your sensitivity or telling someone about your intuition, whatever it is. The intuition you have is going to influence your actions and words, and that is the way things are going to be today, guys. So maybe if you feel that you cannot trust yourself, you cannot trust what you truly feel, you must give up that idea and you must go for what your intuition is telling you, because that may be the right thing for you and that may be the right decision for you today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. For those who chose this card, it's happy, happy. A very positive card here, guys. So no matter what your situation is today, everything is falling into place for you, and this is the time you feel really close to this person you love, and you feel that you can tell them anything and without wanting anything in return, loving them for the sake of love, not for anything else. So that is the way things are going to be, guys. So when you have that unconditional love towards this person, it is going to work in a magical way today in your relationship, guys. So the grass is greenest where you are right now, and you can be happy, grateful for the way things are going. And you should not forget, no matter what your situation is, maybe you are seeing some trouble, something is worrying you in this relationship, whatever it is, you just need to let go of all that. Lighten up, just have fun, be playful, cheerful, and you will be surprised how everything will change in your circumstances. And being happy attracts more happiness, just like bees are attracted to honey. So no matter what your circumstances are, just being happy will attract more happiness in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.